Hello students, welcome to all of you once again. So last lecture that is vectors lecture 9, we completed a relative velocity of boat in a river model concept and its examples also. Now in this lecture we are going to see the new topic that relative velocity in 2-dimension related only this one, that is Rain-Man concept. Rain-Man, or it is also called it as rain umbrella concept. Rain umbrella concept. So rain umbrella concept related with the given examples, we will see the concept parallelly. So this is one of the application of relative velocity in 2-dimension. Motion of a boat in a river is also relative velocity in 2-dimension. General formula what we know? Relative velocity of capital A with respect to capital B. How we can write? VAB bar is equal to VA bar minus VB bar. In same straight line, that is in scalar form, VA minus VB. Same straight line. This is in vector form. Okay, got it? Now, rain umbrella concept related. If rain is falling towards the ground, some cases are there. Vertically falling, man is at rest. Vertically falling, man is in motion. Okay. Vertically falling, man is moving on a vehicle. And with some inclination, rain is falling, man rest to man motion, like that. Different situations are there. Step by step, one by one, we will see. In this first case, rain is falling vertically. Rain is falling vertically. So when the rain is falling vertically, with how much of angle the umbrella should be kept without wetting in the rain? That is the concept. In each case, we will finally derive with how much of angle the umbrella must be placed by the person without wetting in the rain. How it will be? In the direction of rain, if the umbrella will be placed, he will not wet. So first case you see. Suppose this is the rain falling direction. Rain falling. Velocity of rain, nothing but with respect to ground. Velocity of rain with respect to ground, consider some 80 kmph. Very higher velocity. With 80 kmph, rain is falling vertically downward. Here, a person is there. One of the person who is at rest. Velocity of man with respect to ground is at rest. So finally, what we should find? Velocity of rain with respect to man we should find at everywhere. Velocity of rain with respect to man, nothing but velocity of rain with respect to ground minus velocity of man with respect to ground. With respect to ground, if you write, or if you not write also, then that is the individual velocity of man, Vm. Vr only if you write, that is the individual velocity of rain. Got it? Now you see in vector form, draw this 2-dimensional picture. This is plus x minus x plus y minus y. Because we are writing in vector form here. So rain is falling vertically downward means in negative y-axis, that is 80 kmph along negative y-axis. That means velocity of rain with respect to ground minus 80 j cap, possible to write, minus he is at rest, so 0. So finally velocity of rain with respect to man, how it can be seen? Minus 80 j cap, it means rain is falling vertically along negative y-axis like this with how much of velocity? 80 kmph. Okay. Then with how much of angle the umbrella should be placed? Exactly to its direction, opposite direction, such umbrella must be placed like this. Like this. If the umbrella will be placed like that, this rain will be falls on this umbrella, the person will not wet. So what is the answer for this? Magnitude related also, magnitude what it is, 80 only, 80 kmph. So for this situation, along the vertical direction, along positive y-axis, the umbrella must be placed without wetting in air. Got it? This is simple case. Rain falling vertically, simple case. In this one more case you see, next one, same situation, rain is falling like this vertically downward, that is velocity of rain with respect to ground, same velocity you consider, 80 kmph. 80 kmph. Now the person is moving with the velocity of man with respect to ground, some consider it as 60 kmph. Velocity of man with respect to ground, 60 kmph. Here in this case, by keeping the umbrella like this only, he will not wet vertically upward in this case. In this you see. So final thing, draw this diagram, plus x minus x, here it is plus y minus y, rain is falling vertically downward, means along negative y-axis 80 kmph, it means in vector form velocity of rain with respect to ground minus 80 j cap kmph. Okay. Person is moving along horizontal, that is in positive x-axis. This value given it as 60 kmph. In vector form, how we can write velocity of man with respect to ground? 60 I cap kmph. So finally, velocity of rain with respect to man we should find. Velocity of rain with respect to man, velocity of rain with respect to ground minus velocity of man with respect to ground. Got it? So in vector form, how we can write? You see, Vrm equal to rain with respect to ground minus 80 j cap minus man with respect to ground minus 60 I cap. Okay. In magnitude form also, mean magnitude form, how we can find? In magnitude form, Vrm is equal to square root of minus 80 whole square plus minus 60 whole square. Vrm is equal to, doing that we get 100 kmph. 80 square 6400, 3600, finally 10,000, this will be. And with how much of angle he must be road C. So this is the situation for us. Here 80 kmph along negative y-axis, minus 60 means in this way, 60 kmph along negative x-axis, this is negative y-axis. Okay, resultant, this is the resultant. This resultant vector is represented in two axes like this. So from parallelogram law of vectors, this is the resultant Vrm, velocity of rain with respect to man. This is the resultant. This we found. How much of value? 100 kmph. But with how much of angle? With vertical. With vertical we are finding. So this is the resultant, means this is the original rain falling direction. This is the original rain falling direction with respect to the man. Actually it is falling vertically downwards. But when the person is in motion, he seems to be, rain is falling like this. So exactly to its opposite direction, the umbrella must be placed like this. To its opposite direction, the umbrella must be placed like this. So with the vertical, how much of angle? If we consider this is theta, this one also theta. With the vertical, that angle, how we should find? See, by extending this, tan theta is equal to opposite 60 by adjacent 80. Then what we get? 3 by 4. Tan theta 3 by 4 nothing but it is the famous triangle like this. If it is 37 degree, it will be 3, 4, 5. Then tan theta equal to 3 by 4 means theta is equal to how much of angle? 37 degree with the vertical. Two options are possible here. 37 degree with vertical means it will be 53 degree with the horizontal. So final answer with the vertical, how much of angle the umbrella must be placed means 37 degree. For this given values, actually it is the concept is there. VRG, VMG like this formula. Directly with the numbers I am explaining, it becomes easy to you. So, vertical falling, man is at rest. Vertical falling, man is in motion. Okay, next case you see, same. Rain is falling vertically downwards like this. This is velocity of rain with respect to ground. Consider it as some 30 kmph. 30 kmph. This is the surface of ground. In the open trolley or in the open train, you can say open train, it is moving velocity of train with respect to ground some 20 kmph is there, or this one also 30 kmph you consider velocity of train with respect to ground. Inside this trolley, a person is moving velocity of man with respect to this train. This you consider it as train. Velocity of train with respect to ground 30 kmph. Velocity of man with respect to train, this value consider it as some 10 kmph. Both are moving in same direction. Okay. Then with how much of angle the person should row without wetting? With how much of angle the person should place this umbrella without wetting? Okay. Same situation, but here it are the two velocities. Draw this coordinate system. This is x-axis vertically downward means in vector form VRG rain with respect to ground minus 30 j cap. This you see 10 kmph along velocity of train with respect to ground, velocity of man with respect to train. Finally, what we should find? Velocity of train with respect to ground, how much of value? 30 I cap. Okay. Velocity of man with respect to train also 10 I cap. Both are in same direction. Then what we can write finally? Velocity of man with respect to ground. Velocity of man with respect to ground is equal to velocity of train with respect to ground plus velocity of man with respect to train. About this we clearly discussed in previous lectures. Just refer this. So velocity of man with respect to ground, finally what we get? This value, train with respect to ground 30 I cap plus man with respect to train also 10 I cap. Final value man with respect to ground is equal to 40 I cap we get. 40 I cap. This was not completed still. Final what we should find? Velocity of rain. Velocity of rain with respect to man. That is Vrm bar is equal to Vr bar minus Vm bar. Velocity of rain with respect to man is equal to velocity of rain, bar means with respect to ground, this one also with respect to ground. So finally what we get? Vrm equal to rain with respect to ground minus 30 j cap minus man with respect to ground 40 I cap. So this is the final answer in vector form. In vector form. In scalar form, if you want to derive, in scalar form, VRM is equal to directly square root of 30 square plus 40 square. What it will be? VRM equal to 900 plus 1600. 2500. 2500 means 50 km ph, scalar form. In the options, if it is in scalar form, this will be. Vector form, this will be. But which point we should find in every case? With how much of angle to the vertical the umbrella should be placed without wetting in rain. So, see, draw this in coordinate system like this. This is a coordinate system: plus x, minus x, plus y, minus y. Actual rain falling is vertically downward, but these, with respect to this system, this rain will not seems to be vertically falling. It will be makes an angle with the vertical. How much of angle we should find here? See this one. So final answer minus 30 J means this is 30 kmph along negative y axis. This is minus 40 I cap means this will be 40 kmph along negative x axis. So this is one vector, this is one vector means this is the resultant exactly. This resultant is VRM bar, magnitude form we found 50. So finally this rain, vertical falling, this rain seems to this person like this, means coming in this way. Like this rain is falling, he seems to be like this. So with respect to vertical, he should keep some angle. So same you say, how much of angle? If it is theta, this one also. Along this line, the umbrella should be placed. Along this line. Because rain seems to be falling like this, like that to this person. Got it? Right. So what is the resultant? You see, tan theta is equal to tan theta. If it is 40, this one also 40. 40 by 30 means tan theta is equal to 4 by 3. This one also famous triangle, what I drawn now only. If it is 53, then it becomes 4, 3, 5. If it is 37, opposite side becomes 3. Then tan theta 4 by 3 means tan theta is equal to 4 by 3 means it will be tan 53. So angle theta is equal to 53 degree with the vertical. 53 with vertical, or this also theta equal to 37 degree with the horizontal. Both chances are possibilities here. Both chances are possible. Got it? So this is the another situation. Rain falling vertically downwards. Person is moving in a moving vehicle. Moving in a moving vehicle. Got it? This case you see a small change. To this case a small change. If this person is moving in opposite direction with 10 kmph, what happened you see? Just observe. In the same direction, we derived this total situation. That case was closed. End that one. Now what I am saying, just a small change I am doing. Person is moving in opposite direction. A small change will come here. Here, velocity of train with respect to ground, positive x-axis will come. Here, velocity of man with respect to train, negative x-axis will come. Then what happened this value? Here you see this one 30. Okay, this one 30 I cap. Here what it will be? Minus 10 j cap. 30 I cap minus 10 j cap. Finally it will be 20 I cap. Situation same, only one thing I am reversing. That is, person moving in the vehicle is traveling in opposite direction. Rain falling vertically, same as it is. This value becomes 20 I cap, positive 20 I cap. So final answer here, minus 30 minus 20 will be, got it? I am not doing say different, same concept, just a small difference. Minus 20 I cap, magnitude form 30, 20 square, it will be square root of 900 plus 400, it will be 10 root 13. 1300 it will be. 1300 means 10 root 13. Okay. Resultant related. This 40 kmph becomes 20 kmph. 40 will be 20 kmph. Then answer is 20 by 30. 20 by 30 means what happened, you see, 2 by 3, then with vertical theta is equal to tan inverse of 2 by 3. This is the angle. Okay, this is fourth case. Okay, next case you see, previous cases rain is falling vertically downwards we discussed. Now, suppose the rain is falling like this with an inclined angle. This is the horizontal. With the horizontal, rain is falling like this. Making an angle, suppose here angle consider it as some 37 degree. 37 degree. Rain is falling with some 50 kmph number. 50 kmph. Here the person is at rest. A man is at rest. Velocity of man with respect to ground is equal to 0. Sometimes a woman is rest. A woman is moving in a cycle. A man is on scooter. Like that, different situations will be given to us. But main velocity we should find at each and every case. Yes, got it. So finally, velocity of rain with respect to man we should find. That is the concept for us. Magnitude, purpose and angle. So velocity of rain with respect to man, what is the formula actually? Velocity of rain minus velocity of man. Right? So first case, this we should resolve because 50 kmph is not falling vertically. By resolving that, what we get, you see? Resolving that. So like this, it is the resultant given for us. VRG equal to 50 kmph. So this angle given it as 37 degree for us. 37 degree. Then it will be negative y-axis, it will be positive x-axis because by considering like this coordinate system, okay, positive x-axis, this will be negative y-axis. This component what happened? 50 cos 37. It will be 50 sin 37 from the resolution of vectors. The triangle now only I said, if it is 37 degree, it becomes 3, it becomes 4, it becomes 5. Okay. So 50 cos 37 is equal to 50 into cos 37 adjacent by hypotenuse 4 by 5. Adjacent by hypotenuse 5 1s are 5 10s are becomes 40 kmph. It will be positive x-axis 40 kmph. This will be 50 into sin 37 opposite by hypotenuse 3 by 5. 5 1s are 5 10s are 30 kmph. In vector form, how it will be? Velocity of rain with respect to ground. Velocity of rain with respect to ground. 40 I cap minus 30 j cap. Correct or not? See, these are the main values. 30 kmph in vertical direction, 40 kmph along horizontal direction. 40 I cap minus 30 j cap. Next, velocity of man with respect to ground, we know 0. No moment is there. Then velocity of rain with respect to man, what it will be? VR bar minus VM bar. Rain with respect to man equal to VR bar is equal. Rain with respect to ground it is 40 I cap minus 30 j cap minus 0. Rain with respect to man equal to 40 I cap minus 30 j cap. Then Vrm is equal to magnitude root 40 square plus minus 30 square. Then rain with respect to man is equal to 50 kmph it will be. magnitude related. But the main point what I said, with how much of angle the umbrella should be placed. For that what we can do, see, this is a coordinate system, plus x minus x, it will be plus y and it is minus y. This is the origin. Final resultant answer 40 I cap, this will be 40 kmph, positive x-axis. Minus 30 is a cap, it will be 30 kmph. So its resultant will be like this. The person feels rain is falling like this. See, rain is falling like that. The person feels rain is falling with this angle. If we consider this is theta, this one also theta. Okay, so this value is 40, opposite side, this one 30. Tan theta is equal to 40 by 30 means 4 by 3. When tan theta is equal to 4 by 3, triangle now only I said. If we consider these triangles, remember 53, if it is 4, 3, 5. So tan theta equal to 4 by 3, nothing but theta is equal to 53 degree with the vertical. Means the person should draw the umbrella like this by making an angle 53 degree with the vertical. With the horizontal means 90 plus 53. With the positive x-axis 90 plus 53. With the negative x-axis 37. Okay, it is one more case. And a small change I am doing in this case, a small change. Here man with respect to ground is 0. Total resultant velocity with respect to man is equivalent to velocity of rain with respect to ground when the person is at rest. But here one more point I am adding. Velocity of man with respect to ground is some 20 kmph is equal to 20 kmph. In this way he is moving. What will be? This will be as it is, will not change with the same data. Here what we observe, man with respect to ground will be 20 I cap will comes. 20 I cap. Got it? Difference. It will be same as it is. It will be minus 20 I cap. A small change only I drawn. Man is in motion now. Minus 20 I cap. Okay. So 40i minus 20i, what it will be? 20 I cap minus 30 is a cap. Magnitude related, it will be 20 square minus of 30 whole square means same. 900 plus 400, 10 root 3 kmph. Root 1300 nothing but 10 root 3. Then vector form 20 I cap. This 40 will be with the 20. Yes. This 30 as it is. This is the resultant now. So rain seems to be like this. If it is theta, automatically this one also theta. In this situation, tan theta, what happened? 2 by 3 will comes. Tan theta is equal to 2 by 3. Then theta is equal to tan inverse of 2 by 3. With vertical, this is tan inverse of 2 by 3. Clear? Next case you see, same for this same situation. Suppose person is moving in this direction with same velocity. In this direction with same velocity. What happens you see? It will be just minus 28. Here minus of minus plus will be. Here 60 will come. 60 square plus 30 square. 3600, 45 hundreds will be. Means 10 root 45. In this what happened? It will be 60. Tan theta is equal to 60 by 30. becomes 2. Tan theta is equal to 2, theta equal to tan inverse 2 with vertical. Same. Any case, if it will be same as it is, suppose for the same situation, this person is also moving in other vehicle. First we should find here velocity of man with respect to ground. Then addition of these two if both are moving in same direction. Subtraction of these two if both are moving in same direction. Okay. Procedure same as it is. So this is the situation when rain is making an angle with the vertical. This is, sorry, with the horizontal. With the vertical means it will be 53. Okay, it is one more case. So next case you see, same, this is the horizontal. Now the rain is falling like this. Previously that side we drawn. Now rain is falling like this, and the angle making with this some 53 degree you can start. 53 with the vertical, it is making an angle 53. With the horizontal you take, that will be 37, or you take here 53, you take 53 with the horizontal you take. Now velocity of rain with respect to ground, given it as some 40 kmph. 40 kmph. Now person is at rest, person is in motion, all that same situation. See, simple situation you see, person is at rest, or he is also moving with some man with respect to ground some 20 kmph. Okay, how can we resolve this? You see, how can we resolve this? It will be like this. This one 53, this one 40 kmph. It will be 40 cos 53, 40 sin 53, 40 cos 53, 40 sin 53, that triangle. If it is 53, it becomes 4, it becomes 3, it becomes 5. So 40 cos 53, nothing but 40 into cos 53, adjacent by hypotenuse. 3 by 5. 5 1s are 5 8s are 8 3s are 24 kmph along this side. Negative x-axis 24 kmph. This one 40 sin 53 opposite by hypotenuse. 4 by 5, 5 1s are 5 8s are 8 4s are 32 kmph along negative y-axis. It will be. So this is 32 negative y-axis. This is 24 negative x-axis. Then in vector form, velocity of rain with respect to ground is equal to, vector form how we can write, minus 24 I cap, this will be minus 32 j cap. Got it? Rain with respect to ground only. This one, man with respect to ground moving in positive x-axis, that is 20 I cap. Finally, rain with respect to man equal to rain with respect to ground minus man with respect to ground. So rain with respect to man equal to rain with respect to ground minus 24 I minus 32 j minus 20 I. So final answer VRM is equal to minus 4 I cap minus 32 j cap. This is in vector form. In scalar form, if you want to write scalar form, VRM equal to square root of 4 square plus of minus 32 whole square. By solving this, we get the answer. But angle related, see, angle related, minus 4I means it will be 4 kmph. This is minus 32 means negative y-axis. This is the resultant. Means the umbrella should be placed like this in this direction. If it is an angle theta, this one also an angle theta. Then what happened? Tan theta is equal to, this is 4 by 32 then theta is equal to tan inverse of 4 by 32 with vertical. Tan inverse of 4 by 32 with vertical. So this is the angle. It is positive x-axis, this will be negative x-axis, this is plus y, this is minus y. Okay. So it is one more case. This case I am going to be extended, you see. Same case, that 53 degree making an angle with the horizontal rain falling. But here, one more situation, you see, last case you see, rain falling like that same situation. Here, one of the inclined plane is there like this. One of the inclined plane, this is making an angle 37 degree. Okay. On this inclined plane, a person is moving with velocity of man with respect to ground is equal to some 20 kmph. Okay. On the inclined plane, person is moving. Then, with how much of angle the umbrella should be placed? See, previous situation, so rain falling directions we changed. Now in this, person is not moving along horizontal, he is moving on inclined plane, which is making an angle 37 degree. Then what happened, you see, by resolving this, this will be as usual, VRG 40 kmph means along negative x-axis minus 24, along this one 32, that will be same. This we should resolve. Now VRG, how we can write this in vector form? Minus 24 I cap, this will be minus 32 j cap. This is the velocity of rain with respect to ground. Now in this situation, you see, so resolution related this we should find. See, it is the resultant given for us 37 degree. This value 20 kmph means by resoluting this one, it will be 20 cos 37 along positive x-axis, 20 sin 37 along positive y-axis. So 20 cos 37. Cos 37 means same triangle, you see. If it is 37, it becomes 3, 4, 5. So cos 37 adjacent by hypotenuse 4 by 5. 5 ones are 5 fours are 16 I cap. This one 20 sin 37 opposite by hypotenuse 3 by 5. Okay. 5 ones are 5 fours are 4 threes are 12 j cap. So rain with respect to man with respect to ground, finally in vector form, how we can write? See, this value 16 I cap, this value plus 12 j cap. This value 16 I cap positive, it will be 12 j cap. Now velocity of rain with respect to man. Velocity of rain with respect to ground minus velocity of man with respect to ground. So final answer, you see, rain with respect to man equal to rain with respect to ground minus 24 I cap minus 32 j cap minus of man with respect to ground 16 I cap plus 12 j cap. So rain with respect to man equal to minus 24I minus 32j minus 16I minus 12j. So final answer, you see, 24 16 40 I cap minus 40 I cap, it will be minus 44 j cap. This is in vector form. Okay, vector form. In scalar form, its magnitude square root of minus 40 square plus minus 44 whole square. Calculating this, we get the answer. Now, with how much of angle to the vertical? See, So this is positive x-axis means minus 40i. This will be minus 40i means 40 kmph in this way. Minus x-axis 44j, negative y-axis minus y. This is 44 kmph negative y-axis. Then this is the resultant vector VRM. That is the resultant vector. So to this person, rain seems to be falling like this. In this direction, rain seems to be falling. So to its opposite direction, the umbrella should be placed. With how much of angle? If it is theta, this also theta. So joining this one 40, that one 44, tan theta is equal to 40 by 44. 4 10s are 4 11s are is equal to 10 by 11. So theta equal to tan inverse of 10 by 11 with the vertical. Okay, these are the different situations related to this concept. Is called it as rain umbrella concept or rain man concept, also rain woman concept. All are same. So depending on the different situations given, rain falling vertically downward, rain making an angle with the horizontal, making an angle with the vertical, person is making an inclined plane, he is moving horizontal, positive x, negative x, like that. So many cases we discussed in this lecture. So this is the total topic related to rain umbrella concept. So this is vectors lecture number 10. With this lecture, we are completely discussed about vectors topic. Vectors total lesson. With this lecture, it was completed. In coming lecture, we go for the next topic, that is projectiles. Get ready for the next lecture. Thank you. Thank you all of you. Bye.